Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by targeting exactly what the exam tests. Grab the syllabus and highlight high-weight topics and command words so you know where to focus. Once done, collect one syllabus-aligned textbook, a folder of past papers, and a simple revision planner. This prevents scatter. Make sure to schedule 25 40-minute study blocks and 2 weekly review slots to lock memory. Why this matters: focused resources plus spaced practice beat unfocused hours every time. Now you build active routines that convert content into exam-ready skills. In each 25 40-minute block, spend roughly 15 minutes condensing notes, 10 minutes doing free recall, and remaining time answering a short question. Then make a one-page timeline, cause-effect chain, and a set of key term cards for the topic so connections are visible. Once comfortable, practice a past paper question weekly and mark it against examiner descriptors to see it. Finish by consolidating with timed mixed-topic mock exams every 2 weeks. This builds stamina and reveals patterns. Once you identify the weakest 20% of content, run focused mini-sessions and explain those points to a peer or aloud to yourself. Teaching reveals gaps quickly. If progress stalls, compare several of your answers to mark schemes, rewrite them aloud focusing on structure and command words, and then immediately retest that question to ensure the fix works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.